Meanwhile, an earthquake locally rattled parts of Southern California awake this morning.
Yeah, CBS 2's Tina Patel is live in Port Hueneme where it was centered. Tina, good morning.
Good morning. Yeah, the epicenter was in the ocean, and that may be why firefighters here in Ventura County say they're not getting any reports of damages this morning. Take a look at this map. The earthquake hit at 2:13 a.m. It was a magnitude 4.0 between Santa Cruz Island and Santa Monica. According to the USGS, the quake was about 10 kilometers under the surface and was not strong enough to trigger any tsunami warnings, but they did get reports of light shaking throughout Southern California. We put the question out on social media whether anyone felt this earthquake. Again, it was early in the morning, but Danny down in Long Beach says that he actually felt it. And closer to the epicenter, Donna, who lives along the shore in Oxnard, says it actually scared her awake with the shake and noise. Now back out here live, again, no reports of any damages, but this is always a good reminder for people here in Southern California to be ready because, of course, we never know whether this was just the earthquake or whether it might be a foreshock to something a little bit stronger. So a good reminder as we start the new year to always be prepared.